DTF printing has emerged as a flexible, scalable entry point for small businesses looking to diversify product offerings beyond traditional screen printing or DTG. The category blends inkjet-like color richness with textile versatility, enabling print-on-demand runs with relatively low setup, especially when compared to conventional screen printing workflows.
List number 1. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 Wireless Wide Format Color All-in-One Super Tank Printer with Scanner. The Epson ET8550 is an all-in-one ink tank printer optimized for photo quality output with wide format capability up to 13 by 19 inches. It uses refillable ink tanks and supports wireless, Ethernet, and USB connectivity, leveraging Epson's ecosystem and mobile apps for print from mobile workflows. Its strengths lie in color fidelity, versatile media handling, and the ability to produce high-quality proofs and brochures in addition to photos and basic business documents. Performance-wise, the ET8550 offers up to 12 ppm in color and 16 ppm in monochrome, with a maximum color print resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi. For small businesses exploring photo-based or mixed media gifts, calendars, posters, promotional flyers, the printer's auto-duplex, A3 Plus media support, and built-in scanner, copier provide a convenient single-machine solution. The trade-offs include ink cost per page considerations typical of dye-based inks, and the need for hosting a dedicated feed for heavier textiles if you plan to branch into textile transfers. The device excels in print-on-paper quality and light rather than industrial-grade fabric transfer scenarios.
List number 2. Gdora DTF Printer A3 DTF Transfer Printing Machine. The Gdora A3 DTF printer targets small businesses seeking an affordable path into direct-to-film transfers, featuring a white ink circulation system, automated cleaning, and a capable A3 print area. Its explicit emphasis on white ink management and film-based transfers makes it a compelling option for businesses prioritizing dark fabric capability and relatively quick setup for short runs. Performance-wise, the printer delivers up to 600 by 600 dpi in color and 600 dpi in black, with a robust paper feed and an automatic cleaning function. The dedicated white ink circulation helps maintain color consistency on transfer films, which is crucial for reliable dark-on-light prints. Practical use cases include apparel runs, small batch merch, and customization for cotton, polyester, leather, hats, and more. However, the model's industrial capabilities are limited by its single USB interface and modest media handling, A3, and the learning curve for DTF workflows, particularly for ink circulation maintenance and post-transfer oven curing, may be steeper for beginners.
List number 3. Super Tank DTF T-shirt printer with DTF ink. This generic branded device positions itself as a budget-friendly DTF conversion option, touting a refillable ink tank ecosystem, built-in scanner and copier, and inclusive DTF ink plus powder pack. It is designed to offer a turnkey entry into DTF transfers with a familiar 8.5 by 11-inch max media size and a 3-in-1 workflow that includes print, copy, and scan. In practice, the performance highlights are acclaimed ISO print speed around 16 ppm color and 20 ppm monochrome, a maximum print resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi, and USB and Wi-Fi connectivity. The bundled accessories, DTF ink, powder, and gloves, lower friction for immediate experimentation. For small shops, this model can deliver rapid proofs and small order runs, but the lack of explicit white ink handling details or dedicated white ink circulation is a potential limitation for darker fabrics. The overall experience hinges on ensuring reliable DTF workflow integration, including heat transfer preparation, curing, and post-processing, which may require additional equipment.
List number 4. Brother Sublimation Printer. The Brother SP1 Sublimation Printer is a compact, entry-level sublimation device designed for quick transfers onto fabrics and other sublimation-friendly media. It emphasizes straightforward setup via Artspira, a modern app-based ecosystem, and bundle-ready color management with included sublimation ink and starter paper. Performance-wise, the device is optimized for speed within its intended niche, offering vibrant color reproduction with a claimed maximum color resolution of 1440 by 1440 dpi. It's built with a dedicated focus on heat press-ready output and includes features like a color print workflow via the Artspira app for rapid design-to-print transitions. The primary limitations revolve around dedicated heat press requirements, restricted print size to 8.5 by 11 inches, and a modest print speed metric that translates to lower throughput for larger runs. For hobbyists or small-scale creators who value a plug-and-play sublimation experience, the SP1 represents a strong value proposition, albeit with equipment-centric constraints.
List number 5. Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF Printer Bundle. Ultimate Automatic T-Shirt Printing Station with Smart Maintenance. The Lancelot M1630 Pro Bundle positions as a full production-ready DTF station, combining a DTF printer with smart maintenance features and included hot melt powder shaker and dryer stand setup, and a plug-and-play software bundle on a preloaded laptop. It targets startups and small businesses seeking a turnkey, scalable DTF operation. Performance-wise, this unit advertises a 720 by 1440 dpi output, up to 6 ppm color and 10 ppm monochrome, and supports media up to 13 by 19 inches. The bundle emphasizes rapid setup, minimal maintenance downtime, and 24/7 expert support, which translates into a more predictable startup experience for first-time DTF operators. The main caveats include a very heavy footprint, nearly 231 pounds, that requires dedicated space, and a higher initial investment, albeit within the SMB-friendly tier. For entrepreneurs aiming for rapid scale in custom apparel, this bundle offers a compelling production-grade pathway with strong post-sales support.